Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the 4G data speed test between the Poco X3 versus the Redmi K20 Pro device. As you can see here, friends. And right now, I'll be comparing the 4G Plus as well, 4G Plus, so which is available in the Poco X3 and the Redmi K20 Pro as well. And let's see which phone will actually record the highest 4G data speed test. So right now I'm staying in the Melbourne, and here the 4G signals are very much quite faster. So let's see, friends, which phone will be the clear winner in terms of the 4G signals. And the Redmi K20 Pro is a premium end smartphone, whereas the Poco X3 is kind of mid-range segment mobile phone. So definitely there will be a little bit changes in terms of the 4G speed test as well. So for more videos related to the Poco X3, try to check the links in description for the playlist. Even if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using in the Poco X3 smartphone, try to check the playlist of the Poco X3. So in that you can find plenty of useful videos which are related to the Poco X3 device. And let's get started with the 4G comparison between both of these smartphones. So right now you can see here, friends, I'm using the Redmi K20 Pro and the Poco X3. So this is a location where I'll be doing all time my 4G internet speed test, and here I'll be getting the very good, very strong 4G internet connections every time. So right now you can see here is a Poco X3 and here is a Redmi K20 Pro device. So first I'll be doing the test on the Poco X3 device. So both phones are running the latest MIUI 12 versions, and both phones they do support the 4G Plus as well, 4G aggregation, and this is a speed test application which I'll be using right now to test the 4G speed test. So let me try to open first in the Poco X3 smartphone. So I did the same kind of test with the Poco X2 as well, Poco X3 versus Poco X2. So try to check that other video if you are interested. So right now you can see this is a 4G internet connection, and right now I'm in the Melbourne, and here the 4G data connection is very fast. So overall in the mid-range segment, I will have the minimum expectations about 150 Mbps for the mid-range segment mobile phone. So if I see any mid-range mobile reaching above 150, then that's a very good thing. So in the Poco X3, that's a good advantage where it's crossing above 150, and the maximum it's recording close to 170. So where is the Redmi K20 Pro, which has a premium end smartphone and which should be able to give more 4G data speed. So I'll be comparing even that one as well. So right now I'll try to change the SIM from Poco X3 to the Redmi K20 Pro. So we can see which phones will be the faster, and here is the complete speed test results. And out of complete speed test results, every time I do the speed test, I used to get minimum of 160 Mbps of 4G data. So now the SIM I have been removed from the Poco X3, and now I'll be using in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So sorry for the reflection, friends. And it is a Redmi K20 Pro. So let me try to show you how much internet speed we will be getting in the Redmi K20 Pro device at the moment. As you can see, it's crossing 170, and it even reached 180 at certain point. So I'll try to do the again test as well. In the Redmi K20 Pro, I have reached the top speed, I think close to 300 Mbps previously. So which is possible in the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So let me try to do the test again. I think the speed limit, data speed per day has been reached, so that's why it got disconnected. But I'm doing right now the test again, and as you can see clearly the results are about 175, 174. So which is constantly maintaining above 170 during this time of test. And is the complete results which I did, and there you can see 317 is the highest top which I got 4G data connection using this Vodafone SIM card in the Melbourne. As you can see clearly 317. I think that is the past few months ago. But right now let me do it again, the test. So I'm trying to do the 2 times of 4G data test, so we can take the one of the maximum value at the moment. As you can see clearly 181. So we are getting above 180 in the Redmi K20 Pro and above 160 in the Poco X3 device. So there's a little bit of difference, that's not much difference. 172 is the highest and 184 is the highest so far in this test. And definitely there's a little bit of difference at the moment, but overall the Redmi K20 Pro can actually record a more 4G speed test. And thank you for watching this video, friends. See you in the next video for more interesting videos. Stay tuned. Bye.